What's up guys, this is Marcos from the Wrap Institute Center in Germany, and today I'm gonna show you 5 tips to have a very clean wrap. And the 5 tips are about preparation. Step number 1, cover your wheels. The wheels are very dirty. Even if you clean the car in the car wash, you always have a lot of dust, and the statics of the material can get this dirt underneath the vinyl, so make sure your wheels are covered. Tip number 2, remove everything you can for a deeper coverage. In this case, we are removing the emblems, the front and back one. Tip number 3, clay bar the whole car. I love to use the Rag Company's clay bar towels. These are very smooth and get a very nice surface to wrap. Tip number 4, don't forget to degrease all the edges really well, because this is where the vinyl can come up and you have problems. Tip number 5, mask tape on every surface that you don't want your vinyl to touch and stick. It makes a whole difference in terms of time when you don't have to remove the vinyl of hard parts like the lights and the molding. If you like those tips, make sure you like our video and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to wrap like a pro like we do, go to wrapinstitute.com and get a membership.